Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag Docker tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to configure the MongoDB with Docker. This is the setup for the beginner. Install and access with the this one MongoDB Compass. So this is the MongoDB Compass. This is already installed in my system. You can go through the other videos where I have installed the MongoDB Compass. So in this video, we are just targeting the MongoDB installation on Docker. So step by step process, we'll go through that. So first we need a server. So we are running Ubuntu 24.04 LTS server in VMware Workstation. So we are going to access this server. So let me access this server. 128. So this is the server IP. So while installing server, I have given the IP address and username, password, all the things. So sudo user, I'm going to that. So clear. So now this is my server. So first we'll install the MongoDB latest on the Docker on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Access it from the outside from the MongoDB Compass. So the Compass is installed in my local system and I am running the server on VMware Workstation. So this will work with the server like this is the server IP and install the Docker on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So let me update my server. After that, we'll just add the repo. We'll install the prerequisites. This is done. Now I'm going to install the prerequisites. Then we'll add the GPG key and apt library repository to my system. So added. Now finally we are going to install the Docker engine and Docker Compass for the. So this is also done. So already I have created video regarding the installation and configuration of Docker. So you can go through that video. So here we are targeting the MongoDB to install inside the Docker. So Docker Community Edition, C Community Edition is going to be installed. So now next I will enable and start the Docker service. So we'll go through that. So enable means whenever your system will reboot, automatically the service will start and start. We are starting the service and we are checking the version of that. So we are running with the Composer version 2.4.3 and now let me check the Docker version. Docker. So we are running with the Docker 29.1.1. So this is the Docker version. So now you can check the container. Docker PS. Yeah, with container ID image and we don't have the image now. So first we'll just go and install the MongoDB latest on the Docker. So we'll just pull the MongoDB latest image. So downloading is started. There is size around 291 MB. So after that we'll verify the image. Let it complete. So approx more than 200 MB is completed. So we are pulling the images. Next, we'll check the image, then run the MongoDB with the password and external access. So we can create a set username and password. So here we are passing the username and password. Username is admin and password is admin at the rate admin123. Expose MongoDB to outside network. Okay. So we are giving the 27017 outside, or inside is 27017, and use the persistent data. So we are calling the Mongo data, Mongo hyphen data. This is the path. So completed. Now let me check the Docker image. So this is the Docker image detail. Okay. Now we are going to run this command. So MongoDB latest. So done. So this means we have a username admin and password admin123, port number 27017, and data is persistent. Now verify the container is running or not. So you can check with this command, ps command. So container is running and with the port 27017. Okay. So now part 4, test the MongoDB locally inside the server. So I'm going inside the Docker MongoDB. So this is running. Okay. Now you should say test is there. Now show the DBs. So let's check the databases list. So we have a admin config and local. So part 5, allow firewall access. So allow the 2717017. This is the default port. So exit and reload. So firewall is not enabled, but you add this one whenever you will enable, it will start working. So port 27017 must be allowed. So part 6, connected from the MongoDB Compass. So I'm going to open the MongoDB Compass. So this is create an add connection, put the your URL and click on connect. So we have a connected and all the databases are showing here. So we're getting all the details. So as per your requirement, you can change this thing. Click on connect. So we have connected. Now create simple database and collection. So use DB. So now use DB connected. And next I'm going to insert some data. So data is inserted. Okay. Now reload this one. You will get company here. So now I'm going to check with the command line. So we are able to find Chirag DBA and Sanju developers, groups, DevOps. So all the details, so whatever we have inserted, we are getting that. So it will, so part auto start MongoDB on the server reboot. For that, Docker, we are updating this one. So do this. So automatically, whenever the server will reboot, automatically this will start. Now, final check is that we're checking with the container, MongoDB logs, and our data. So data path is mongo hyphen data. So we have completed this. So in this video, we have learned how to configure the MongoDB on Docker step-by-step process. This is a simple way to install in Docker, and how to access from the outside. So we have learned MongoDB latest running in the Docker, persistent storage, secure with the username password, accessible from the MongoDB Compass externally, and production ready setup. So disclaimer is there, all trademarks logo belongs to their respective owners, and this video made only for the education information purpose under the fair use section 107 copyright act 1976. So follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel. So follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube tutorial with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question in the YouTube comment. I will reply personally. And subscribe for the free tutorial and learning content. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Thank you.